Welcome to Hoyist.com. This is founder and CEO Noor. So I have started a playlist in which I will be trying to teach you how you can start a successful web hosting business. Now in today's video, we are going to see how you can set up WHMCS. Now setting up a support department is easy, but we need to log in into our WHMCS. Before getting started, I just want to walk you through with our reseller hosting services. If you go for our reseller hosting, we are starting at just, if you scroll down, we are starting at just $4.99 per month. We are offering 50 client account, unlimited NVMe, 4 GB of RAM, unlimited email accounts. Inodes are unlimited. Like suppose if you go for any other web hosting provider, they are not offering unlimited inodes, and 4 GB RAM is also an add-on at Hoyist.com. If you go for any other web hosting provider, they are not offering 4 GB RAM. Okay. Then next is we are offering 3-month discount on 2 or 3 year purchase. If you go for 2 or 3 year billing, your 3 months will be free of cost. Okay. Like suppose you will get an extra 3-month discount. Okay. Next we are offering free domain name. And if you go for next our reseller hosting, we are offering free WordPress manager, free website builder, free cPanel Lightspeed is also free, email filtering, SSL certificate, auto SSL, and all SSL certificates are free. Okay. We offer free malware protection. We offer free website migration. If you have hosted your you are hosted already at any other reseller hosting provider and you want to migrate at Hoyist.com, you can just open a customer support ticket with us after purchasing the plan, and we will migrate your whole reseller hosting accounts, okay, as per our terms and conditions. Next is we are offering optimized WooCommerce. Now this is a feature at Hoyist.com that 99.99% reseller hosting provider don't offer. Okay, we offer free WP toolkit, and our servers are completely optimized. Like if you want to offer your client subcategory web hosting such as WordPress hosting, WooCommerce hosting, you can offer them with the WP Toolkit add-on. Like if you go for any other reseller hosting provider, for example, Namecheap, if you go for WordPress, if you go for Name Hero, ChemiCloud, or any other reseller hosting provider, they are charging, they don't offer WP add-on, WP Toolkit add-on. Okay, if still they are offering it as an add-on, and they charge about $5 to $9 per month to add this add-on into your reseller hosting. Okay. Next is we offer developer-friendly reseller hosting like SSH access is enabled, Git support, Bash, Terminal, Laravel, Ruby, Python, Node.js, Django, MongoDB. Like if you and on-demand backups is another feature at Hoyist.com. If you go for any other reseller hosting product, on-demand backups are not available. 99% of web hosting product don't do offer on-demand backups, but we offer on-demand backups as per our terms and condition. You have to follow just them. Okay. Next, we offer resources usage, the report, Ruby version selector, PHP workers, which are cron jobs. They are available and unlimited. Okay. Next is 99.9% uptime, multiple PHP versions, auto SSL certificates, 24/7 server monitoring. Like these features are not available at Hoyist any other reseller hosting product, but at Hoyist we are offering this feature as a free feature. Okay. This is a guarantee. If you go for any other reseller hosting provider, they are not offering. A few are offering, but they are offering this as an paid add-on. Okay, like if you want to offer your client Node.js web hosting separate category like Node.js hosting, Ruby hosting, Python hosting. If you scroll down with to our my menu in our to the footer menu, you can see here we are offering also subcategorized web hosting. The internet reseller web hosting is another web hosting. Radio hosting is another hosting type or category. If you want to purchase those, we do offer internet reseller hosting, but for right now we are on let's come to our point. Next is we offer a reseller hosting advanced plan at just $10 with 200 client account. Agency and business plan come with limited client account, and agency plan come with the 500 client account. Now we are offering 4 GB of RAM and free domain name. Now this is a guarantee. If you go for any other web hosting, they will not offer you a free domain name with this pricing structure. And if you go for monthly basis, still I'm saying their pricing will be double. Like they will be offering 10 to $20 to $30 per month on a monthly basis. Okay, but if you go for Hoyist.com with monthly basis, your domain, your billing will be same. And if you go for yearly or 2 or 3 year billing, system, your domain name will be free. Okay, so I would suggest you to look our check our reseller hosting plan. If you haven't choose any other reseller hosting product, and if you choose and you are stuck with that reseller hosting product and you want to migrate, just visit our website and you can open customer support ticket. And right now we have a WhatsApp customer support also available on you can use this icon to access our WhatsApp customer support. Maybe this customer support come to an end within a month, 2 months or 3, I don't know, but right now we have free WhatsApp support customer support available. Okay, So let's get started with our video's topic. Let's log into our client area because we need to access our C panel. So let's log into our C panel, and from here I'm on the WHMCS admin page. Just search here sport. Sorry guys, this is my radio issue. Now let's go for the sport departments. If I hope you guys go over to Reseller here on the page, main page, I go for the contact us page, and instead of going for any contact us page, I'll just go search here. And on this page, we don't have any department. Like this is a by default WHMCS has created this department, so I'll delete this department, okay? And I'll tell you how to create it. This is not actually set up, okay? Now we are going to create a general inquiries department. So let's see how you can create it. The first thing you have to do, you have to go login into our WHMCS and make sure to create an email account. If you don't know how to create, go ahead and my few last videos in which I told you how to set up WHMCS SMTP. And in that video, I told you how to create an email account here, okay? Now let's search here, WHMCS forwarders. Let's go to this page. Forwarders, go to the forwarder page and just click on add forwarder. And just provide you the email address. So I'm going for sport. This is basically my email address part, starting word. Just go for it. If you have multiple domain name, go for it. But I do have only one domain name, so I'll leave it as it is. Just go on the advanced section here. Click on this pip to program and click on this URL and copy this. Okay, this first one. Okay, I'll just reload the page again. It is paste it here, but you guys make sure to remove this here. Okay, I'll just wait here. Just go for home. And here you can see this is connected. Click on this and our pip is now connected. Okay, just click on add forwarder button here. Our forwarder is now settled. Now the next thing what we have to do is we have to set up. Now guys, I'll told let's create a department. Now guys, there are two type of department. If you want to set up, let me tell you here in the main page. Okay, I'll go for creating this department with the name of general sport. Okay, and I'll provide here the description. If you want to, you can use, but I'll not. Okay, I'll just click this email address here, paste this here, and then I'll just go for it, paste this email address on the email section. Go for assign to the admin. If you are the only one hosting on it, assign to it. If you do have a staff, you have another option for clicking on setting up the staff. Then click on the clients only. If you want to restrict WHMCS as submit ticket pay to only client, you can use this. Okay, then make sure to check this option. Oh sorry, don't check this option, this is not required. Then go for feedback request. Okay, this is how you can set up WHMCS department. Now I will tell you, if you want to create a multiple department, how you can do it. Because we have added only one pip right now. We have added only one pip. If I add this department, I go on this page and search here, reload this, our department is right now here. But if I want to create a multiple department, I have to add a few more forwarder for the email. First thing which we have to do is to create, let's suppose if I want to create a department for sales department, then I have to provide the email address like sales@hoyist.xyz, and then we have to set up the forwarder again. And after setting up the forwarder, just create your department by following the same way, and this is how you can create a department. Okay, for the next email, let's suppose if you want to go for creating a department for affiliates, make sure to create another email and then set up a forwarder with the same link. Okay, the same way I told you, and then create your department. It will work fine. Okay, this is how guys you can set up WHMCS support department. Thank you so much for watching.